I just want to say that of all the places in the world we've ever played, this has got to be one of them. This has got to be the biggest place. I just want to thank everybody for being so supportive to us over the years, and I mean, I'm really overwhelmed right now. Thank you. This one's goes straight from the heart.
Dreaming, but it never ends. As long as you're gone, we may as well pretend I've been dreaming straight from the heart. You said it's easy, but who's to say? Just give it to me straight from the heart. Tell me we can make one more start. But you know I'll never go as long as I know it's coming straight from the heart. Give it to me. Yeah. Straight from the heart. But you know as long as I know everybody's coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the band, on the keyboards, piano and organ, Tommy Mandel. On the bass guitar, Mr. David Taylor. On the lead guitar and vocal, Mr. Keith Scott. Now about a big Wembley welcome for Mr. Mickey Curry on the drums. Good night, God bless you.